Oh, I mean, you can see your camera. So when we do this, once we perform it, after
the videos are right here when I walk up, and
this part, please just look on the camera. Guys, look at our line. Pause it there. Pause it there.
How are you feeling?
What?
Yeah. How do you feel?
Bro, they throw a rock star though.
Hi girlies!
I can literally just like it was a high schooler. Guys, they don't check ID. I thought it was a high schooler, right?
So, thanks.
Okay, I didn't know I was supposed to like put $5 somewhere.
Oh yeah. Welcome to another episode of 跟朋友讲的我班才查理。
This is very so
And then maybe go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. Head. No, so we land our left, we hit. Now we're gonna step forward, you're just gonna step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. So you're kind of leaning like this, and then you come back, and then you jump, and then do 1, and then you hit. Dun, dun. Girl, hit. Go 1, 2, 5. Okay. How do we do?
Not me having my Myrtle Beach shirt on, like, very nice, bro.
People are excited, oh.
I'm not excited, guys, because I like what do it. Like, I feel like so saturated.
Progress is fast though, low key. If we're gonna
Hi Lo. So if you're ready, just look at my eye. It's really bad right now. Look at my
go post that for real.
look at my eye. It got smaller, but I don't know why it got big
Bro, I
again.
never noticed that, bro.
Oh yeah, the thing man, the up and look at the step. Yeah, this is my current eye situation right now. I need to go home and clean it. Okay, Luz, your turn. What?
Hey guys, ew, it's so fucking ugly.
What is so warm?
So basically, I still messed up, but then they can't. If you don't look at me, you can't tell. Just don't look at me, okay, guys? So we're gonna head home and send Chishi home. It's so blurry. How do you like?
Oh my god, I look so red.
It's so blurry. We're gonna send her home first, and then we're gonna go party at my cousin's house.
Luz, are you sure about that?
Here.
Wait, what did I say?
I know, right?
Oh my god. What did I say? I bombed the whole entire dance practice. And why is it so red?
It's so blurry.
Why is it so red? Anyways.
There's supposed to be more of us in the dance, but then like everybody's kind of far away now, and this is kind of last minute, so this is the 4 of us. Bro, my eyes look so scary in here. Look at bro. So fat. Okay, so this is cleanup part 2, like we told you guys, and we're gonna end it here. You'll get your teaser later, and you'll get the full dance performance if you subscribe and like this video. Stay in tune for our final performance. How you turn this thing off?
This is the bun, and then this is the hairpin.
7,
It's way
8.
too small, guys. We want a refund.
That is funny.
We want a refund for these. These are literally for kids. Not even kidding. It looks like this, so it does not even fit our hair.
Dead as fuck. Dirty. Yeah, it looks so ugly. You need to put your nose. Turn around. Yeah, face reveal.
You guys eat in the table, okay? Luna, yours right here.
We're currently trying to find Hmong clothes for
Nice
Hmong
look at
dance.
you.
So this is how it looks like. It's so cute. Wow, that one's really pretty loose.
This was pretty chill. It's so big. Okay, but I like this one, so I'm gonna buy that.
Okay. Mermaid vibes. Hey guys, today is day 5. We have 3 more days until New Year. Woo! Rate today's practice, you guys.
I rate it out of 5. I don't know, like a 3.5.
Why?
Because I feel like I still nye before, but I've been sweating my booty off in the dance room and it was hot as heck.
Did you think you did good?
Oh yes.
I rated
What
it
about
10
you?
because I did so good.
Ooh.
Wait, what?
I rate it out of 4 because I feel like we did worse than before.
We did worse now.
Yep. And especially because of our skirts, so say bye guys.
Bye bye. Oh.